So we've got a brand new batch of limited releases coming up this Thursday. And in this batch, we've got some rare shell cordovan, which I know you guys are looking for, as well as some brand new prototype designs. All right, limited release, April 9th at 5 p.m. Central. There's a look at the new prototype. So this is our little zipper pouch in new dimensions. We've done some before that look more like a pencil pouch. Oh, we're reloading for a bunch of different wallets. And you can see some of the rare cordovan I'm talking about. That's our new design. It's a little bit bigger than our pencil pouch that we had before, obviously designed more for pencils. But this one's more of like a wallet that you could toss into a bag. On the front there, that's some green EV Chromexcel. We have it in that vertical frank, as well as I think it was a Lucky wallet. With vertical frank has that larger slot in the center. This is a left-handed Lucky wallet in cobalt blue Dublin. That one looks really great with the yellow contrasting stitch. And then some of the epic grain character that you can see there as well. Every time we see that figuring, we like to include it. Nice. That's a Fat Herbie. That's my favorite wall design and a really cool piece of color 8 marbled shell cordovan. You can see a range of colors in the marbled shells. Color 8 ranges from burgundy down to that lighter tan. This is, I believe that's black shell cordovan on a Vertical Bugs, but this has a straight quick access slot on the back left that you may have been able to see there very quickly. This is a vertical Tony the Ant, I believe, and some really beautiful marbled ultraviolet. You might be able to see some of the hand stained edges there that match that sort of pinkish purple color in the marbled ultraviolet. There's some of the edges. Here's this is a mini fox, and that looks like reverse black shell. It's kind of a green shade. And this is like a more minimalist design compared to our best-selling Johnny the Fox wall. It's just got 2 less card pockets, so it's a little bit thinner. And this is another Lucky wall, but this is the right-handed Lucky in a version of Horween's Chromexcel called EV Chromexcel. It's the Horween classic Chromexcel leather with a tougher top coat. It's called EV for Elena and Victor, the finishers over there at the tannery. I just love that red color. I think in the last limited release drop, that was our most popular and most requested color afterwards. So then we have a lefty and a righty version. So it's a lot easier to get your cash out on the left side if you're a lefty or on the right side if you're a righty underneath that flap. He's doing a good job showing us there. Lefty and righty. Love it. Thought we'd give something to the lefties out there. Here's a teal Latigo on the inside of a Johnny the Fox. On the outside is some epic splatter reverse blue. And we've got that teal color stitching going along the outside. You can see the blue shell on the inside. That's the intended side. Here is a 50-50 Bugs, I think. Yeah, so this is another one of the new prototypes. And this is brown woolly horsehide. I almost said steer hide. You can see, if you look really closely there, you can see the grain is much more intense. That's the grain of the horse. And this is yet another version of Chromexcel stuffed with wool grease, or it's like a lanolin. But the luster on that leather is incredible, and the way it wears in is just about as good as it gets. I think Skip Horween's been wearing a wallet out of that for the last few months, and he's loving it. Whoa! Big clap there. So that's Violet Shell Cordovan on the Lucky card holder. And we've got the 2 card slots in the back and the 2 on the front. You can fit your cash in the inside center. This is a great video. I love that I don't have to do any of this. You can see the hand stained edges there as well. We use the same exact stains as the tannery uses on the shell. We put it on the edges. That's a marbled cigar shell, it looks like. It's either marbled cigar or marbled color 8. The marbled cigar and color 8 kind of look similar, but the marbled 8 has like a little bit more like burgundy sometimes. So this makes me think that one's marbled cigar. This kind of reminds me of fall, like harvest. This is a really great, I think this is my stunner. I love the marbled violet shell, and that's what this Lucky card holder is. It's got that sort of streaky look between the violet and that natural color underneath. And the tannery layers on all those colors and scrapes it away. It gives you that really nice look. So here's some more violet shell. It looks like a Bugs, but it's a Vertical Bug. So we've got the 6 card slots in the inside, 4 of which are vertical slots. This one's actually a B grade. I know some stitching inconsistencies on that one, but it's reverse on the outside with the Horween measuring machine stamp. This is English Tan Dublin. We've included this one because it has the Horween USA stamp placed into the center, which is unique. We only get 1 of those per each side. So you can see the authentic Horween stamp there. And then English Tan Dublin on the outside. That's kind of our standard item. This is a Fat Herbie with some hidden slots. And I believe this is natural shell cordovan on garnet shell cordovan. It's a really good combo. And then the hidden card slots on the inside are sort of inverted. This is Western Whiskey Shell Cordovan on natural on the outside there. You can see the difference between the whiskey and the natural. Ooh, there's a reverse natural. The whiskey's a little bit more yellow, slightly more dark than natural shell. That one's sitting on amaretto, which is more orange. And then you've got the hidden card slot on the right side there. This is all reverse on the interior. He's showing us it's Shell Cordovan, Ashland. And we make everything across the street from Horween. So this is a reverse natural interior with that whiskey, the Western whiskey on the outside. You can see it's more golden and more yellow than the natural shell. It's another marbled piece here that looks like marbled color 8 on the inside and out. Oh, there's people talking in the video. Here's a Tony the Ant, and that's color 8 on natural, I believe, and then whiskey on the inside or natural on the inside. This is another 50-50 version. We've got the traditional slots on the left and the vertical on the right. There's a combination here. I believe that's Armagnac and whiskey. This is a black shell Cordovan on a Tony. The outside there has a black gator texture on top of the smooth Cordovan. That looks like, I think that's garnet shell Cordovan. Sometimes it's hard to tell in the light, but the garnet is more red. This might be color 4, which is slightly darker, more brown. And we've got a bunch of wallets there. So Tony the Ant, this is a cigar natural, and then that's black and natural. This is a Bugs in color 8 shell with a natural interior. Color 8 shell and black shell, it looks like. Black and reverse on the inside. And then some of our mini foxes again. So that's reverse with marbled cigar. Beautiful. And I think there's multiple marbled cigars here. That's a raw natural. So if you want patina, that specific wallet there was the best one to get for patina. I love the raw shells. And this is an all reverse black Johnny the Fox. And the reverse side of the black shells is that green color, which a lot of our customers really appreciate. So I'm glad we got one in the video. Nice transition there. Here's a Bugs with, I think that's either color 4 or garnet on the outside. This is another EV Chromexcel piece in green this time, but it's on our lighter. Spark it. Yep. All right. Here's a whiskey black gator. I believe there's also this black gator again. There might be a lizard in here somewhere too, I think. Here's our small zip wallet in another green shade, but this is green shell Cordovan. And the Chromexcel, that EV version, is kind of coming out with the same luster that the shell has. It's like a really nice luster on that EV Chromexcel, similar to the Cordovan. But you can see the Bugs Moran is roughly the same size as that small zip. And that small zip there, I think, has brown cypress on the interior. Here's some Lucky wallets in a bunch of different colors. A nice denim blue there, English and Dublin. That's actually blue wax flesh horsehide on the top right that you might be able to see there. Here's a cool piece of garnet. That's a lefty, righty. Okay. Ooh, key fobs. That's a vault key holder. I really like this piece of hand glazed reverse blue shell, and it's kind of like a marbling on the inside. But we do a little of an extra finish on the reverse to sort of expedite the patina for you. Here's all the key fobs. This is a great video. Some reverse in there. I thought we'd give you a nice range of colors for the key fobs so you can check them out in person for yourself. 2 thumbs up. All right, we made it all the way through the video. Thanks so much for checking it out with me today. You can pick out any of these on our website, ashlandleather.com, this Thursday, and it's April 9th at 5 p.m. Central Time. If you have any questions about anything in the video, in fact, I know that there's some stuff that we'll be putting up there that will be a surprise that was not included in this video. But if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. Some people in the past have asked me, hey, do you have any Tony the Ants in the drop? And I can give you a list of what will be coming, and I'd be happy to help you with that. So thanks so much for checking it out. And until next time, I hope you have a good one.